I just didn't understand the whole thing altogether.
I didn't steal shit, bro.
Yes, you did.
Bro, I'm not trying to go there with you, bro. But I didn't touch your shit, bro.
How do you get a hold of your brother?
How do you get a hold of my brother's at work? It's a young boy looks just like me,
Okay.
same dude.
Then what? Did he stole my lawnmower? Is that
wrong?
what you're saying?
Right, bro. That's what I'm trying to explain to you.
Is that your brother?
It's two of us the same that do the same thing.
Where does he work?
He works. I'm not gonna do all that with my brother's work. Bro, you're approaching like I don't know what you're saying.
You remember this one? Okay.
The Toro, my little brother had it. Yeah, I remember.
Why does your
little brother had it? That had nothing to do with what he does.
Why does your little brother have it?
Bro, I'm not about to keep explaining myself about my little brother, bro. That's his business, bro. When you see him on your side of the curb, shirt on where he has
Listen,
it,
this is your brother. Why does your brother go around stealing people's lawnmowers?
I don't know, guy. I have no idea about none of that.
How do you get a hold of your brother? If you don't have a phone.
Around, he knows he's over this way.
I don't care if he's gonna be around this way. He's got my lawnmower. That's the problem. Is that see the thing is that you said you were gonna borrow my lawnmower, and I think it was you. I don't think you. I'm gonna be perfect. I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you. I don't think. I
would have said, sir, oh shit, I forgot.
I don't think you. Listen. I don't think you have a little brother. I don't think. How old are you? You don't see. I don't think you have a little brother. Listen. I'm not trying to argue about how old you are. I'm not trying to argue about how old you are. So you don't have what's that right there? That looks like a phone. What is that? No, I don't. You're right. Bro, listen. I'm not. Listen.
Where's your brother? Where is your brother?
Where's your brother?
Well, tell him to bring our lawnmower. Tell him to bring our lawnmower.
I can tell him so many times. The guy already came over to the house trying to get his lawnmower. I can't control. He's different from me. If I brought took his shit, I would have gave him his shit. I'm
affecting your business. You
I
might
have my
want to
own
rethink
shit.
that.
I work and I have jobs and I do this shit on a daily. So you can't tell me what it is. He does what he do. I don't know what he does.
Not gonna
I got another brother just like me.
tell your brother.
There's a lot of problems that comes from that. I can't explain that.
What's your name?
My name is Arthur Longwood Jr. Sir.
Listen, bro. I'm not trying to. Listen. I'm not threatening. Okay? I'm not into any fire. Let's talk many times. I'm not trying to fight you. Okay? That's what it comes down to. That's what has to happen. I want my lawnmower back. I'm not saying you're a bitch. I never said you were a bitch. I never said you were a bitch. I never said you weren't a grown ass man.
Make sure I finish business.
I said. Hey. What's that mean? I have no idea what that means. Anyways, so you don't think that you don't think it's wrong if your brother takes my lawnmower?
I can't explain how he feels inside his soul, sir. Sorry.
Listen, I want my lawnmower back. That's all. That's it.
You're gonna have to approach him first. You run into him, you see him, and you deal with him. I mean, I can try to get your lawnmower back and bring it back.
Because I'm
But
pretty.
I'm not about to go ahead and do all that with somebody who's crazy.
Because I'm pretty sure that when you came by, I think it was you. I think it was you. I think it was you. You looked me in the eyes and say it was me.
I'm looking at you right now. You was not me to your lawnmower was certain. I'm not gonna say when I go back and I tell you, I know I don't have your lawnmower. I know that for a fact.
No, I think he's this is a little
Lady, I don't know. I know this ain't your lawnmower. I know I got a brand new box of lawnmower. My brother just bought it. Why? I work hard. My brother really got to pick it up. Shit to do with me. Shit to do with me.
if somebody said said you're ready, it is ready.
Feel yours today. You'll know what we feel.
You know what? That's the whole problem.
I'll bring you.
That's the whole problem. That's the whole problem is that you don't give a fuck. That's the whole problem.
I have a heart. I have a heart.
You have a heart? You took, hey, somebody, either you or your little brother took my little lawnmower. Took my motherfucking lawnmower.
I gotta bring you back.
And
I'll bring it back. When I bring it back.
When are you gonna bring it back? Please tell me. I'll put it in my calendar right now.
Today.
You're gonna bring it back today. Not one. I would like my lawnmower back.
We're right next door to the meditation place.
I can only do what I can do. I know this one wasn't his, but I will bring you one today.
Well, we've got a nice push mower. We'll trade you.
No, it's not straight. I'll give it to you. Because I know.
I'll bring you in today.